In this video, I'll show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, I previously created an announcement channel, right? So I'm going to show you how you can create an announcement channel again. So this is going to basically be like the mini announcement channel, right? So we're going to click here. Once I've clicked here, you're going to click on this create channel, right? So this you have created an announcement channel previously. So this is going to be like a mini announcement channel, right? So I'll click on I'll type in mini announcement, right, to make everything different, right? So mini announcement. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the create channel. You can see this channel was created. This is the announcement channel. This is the mini announcement channel. So this is basically how you can create an announcement channel here on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.